Hello everyone, my name is Nabanita and in this video it will be a introduction kind of video. So in this video I am going to give you the introduction about myself, what I have done till so far and how I am going to guide you throughout this entire course on CUET BABA. Okay. So as I have said, my name is Nabanita and I have done masters in maths from University of Calcutta, and after that I had been preparing for CSI NET, which is a national level exam for so many people appear for it for the PhD entrance, right? So that they can get into the PhD uh, from like top universities. So this month or like in this June paper, like it happens for twice a year, right? So in the June paper, I have cleared the CSI NET and my score was 112.75. So as I have cleared this year or this year, so I can guide you throughout the CUET or the preparation of CUET. So the preparation is kind of same because you are appearing for national level exam, and CUET is one of the national reputed national level exam, and so many students appear for the exam. So the competition is very high in this exam, right? So let me first tell you what is the difference. Like, what difference can you face when you are like after BSc exams, after giving your BSc? What difference you might feel when you are appearing for this competitive exam? There must be a difference, right? So throughout my journey for the CSI NET, what I have learned is this, that in this exam or in any national level exam, the difference is only one. While you are appearing for the BSc exams, what happens is you go through all the theory, you read all the theory, and that kind of theory comes in your exam. You just go and write down all the theory, right? But that isn't going to happen in your CUET exam or any national level exam if you're appearing for, right? So in the national level exam, which is one of the reputed CUET exam, what is the main difference is here that you don't have to remember the theory. You have to read the theory, but you don't have to remember the theory. You have to remember all the results, all the theorems, okay? The statements of all the theorems that you have to remember, the results you have to remember. So when the topic or when that particular question from that topic is appearing in your exam, that you can apply. So what is the main thing that you have to do in your exam is you need to understand how you can apply those theorems that you have learned throughout your graduation in your exam, right? So that is the main thing that they check how you do the application. Right. So that is what I'm going to teach you throughout the whole course. That is how I'm going to guide you throughout the whole course. That how you can apply all the knowledge that you have gathered throughout your BSc into the questions that are being asked in CUET exam. And not only that factor knows what other factors are also working, because the exam is for 3 hours. You have to go to the exam hall. The exam is like a what we can do, say that online kind of exam, you have to look into the question on the screen, and then you have to use the paper and pen and paper, and then you have to write some of the points, and then you have to use it to solve the problems, right? So this is the kind of difficulty that we are going to face when we are appearing for the exam first time. Why is it so? Because throughout our BSc exams, we don't appear for the online exams, right? We appear for the pen and paper type of exam. The question paper is given to us, and then we write the questions. Using the questions, we look into the paper, right? But that is not going to happen in your when you're appearing for CUET exam, right? For the 3 hours, we have solved so many 75 questions. As along with that, some kind of stress is uh, working on you, like you are stressed out. And to me happen, like it happened to me as well, that throughout that 3 hours, not all the results, not all the theorems, like whatever I have learned, that has been gone out of my mind. I couldn't remember that for the particular question I have to use that theorem. So this is a very difficult kind of problem that we face, because we have learned so far, we have practiced so far, but still we cannot remember the result that is going to be used in that particular question, right? So I'm going to guide you in this. I'm going to help you with this because I have appeared for the exam. I know what kind of difficulty that you might face when you are going to give that CUET exam, right? So in this CUET Baba, join me, and I'm going to guide you. I'm going to help you so that all of you can clear that CUET exam and get admission to reputed central universities. Okay. Thank you.